Is I-24 News culture correspondent Maya Margit. Hey Maya, so we're going to talk Tribeca today.
Tribeca, yes. It's a great festival, one of the biggest film festivals in the world. And they just wrapped, well, they're wrapping up tomorrow actually, but they already announced the winners last night. And what's really surprising and what's really great is that female filmmakers won the top 3 awards. Okay. Each award comes with $20,000. It's a nice amount, and it's quite different from the Oscars. I just want to contrast that to the Oscars, where not even one female director was nominated this year. So it's a nice contrast to that, and I'll talk to you a little bit about the films. One of them is called Keep the Change. It won the prize for Best U.S. Narrative Feature. It's directed by Rachel Israel. It's about a budding romance between an autistic man and a woman he meets in a support group. A very nice film. She also took the award for Best New Narrative Director, so she's a new director on the scene. It's been described as an autistic rom-com, which is, I think, nice. And then the next film we have is called Bobby Jean. It's a documentary feature by Elvira Lind, also a female director. It's about an American dancer's move back to the U.S. after spending 10 years at the Bathsheba Dance Company in Israel.
Oh, interesting.
And we have a trailer from the film. Let's take a look.
Right now, she'll tell me, leave everything, come tomorrow to the States. I can't. And I know Israel is my home for life.
You are the only one.
Wow.
Very dramatic.
Emotional.
Very emotional. It also won for Best Cinematography and Editing as well. So something to check out. The next film that won is an international feature. It won Best International Feature by Elena Psikos. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name correctly.
Okay.
It's called Son of Sophia. It's a dark fairy tale about an 11-year-old making a new life in Athens, Greece. And we also have a clip from the trailer, an excerpt from the trailer. Let's also take a look.
Πατέρας. Ο δικός σου ο πατέρας θα είμαι εγώ.
Я не хочу больше жить в этом доме.
Мы же говорили об этом, когда ты приехал.
Что-то же есть у старика, что мать твоя живет с ним. Он и муж?
Она работает у него.
Мы поженились перед самым твоим приездом. Это я виновата, я должна была тебя...
София, Михайлович!
Тебя старик ждет. Ну, прикол. Я никогда не был на вечеринку, кому стукнуло 75.
Okay, really dark film.
Very dark fairy tale.
Very different from the others.
Sure. So I just want to touch on The Godfather, which is happening tomorrow. This is one of the biggest events of Tribeca. It's happening tomorrow, Facebook Live. There's going to be a Q&A section with all of the cast members reuniting. Everyone can tune in, ask questions, and it's going to be very exciting.
That sounds really, really neat. This year was a special film festival, and I must say, you've been reporting on it all week, and lots of big moments. Maya, thanks so much for this.